Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some TigerTough seat covers for the crew cab of Ford F-150 and Super Duty trucks. Let's get into it. All right, we have our bag of seat covers here from TigerTough. This happens to be for 2021 through 2024 Ford F-150 Super Crew cabs, or the crew cab, basically with that larger extended row of seating behind the driver. This is also going to fit, I believe, beginning in 2023 Super Duty. It also fits the F-150 Lightning. I'm not sure if this fits the model year 2025 yet. Haven't gotten that guidance from TigerTough yet. A lot of times the seats remain the same from year to year. Sometimes there's differences and they have to make a modification. But as far as we know, this is 2021 through 2024. And again, this is for those rear seats. So we already unboxed some seat covers for the front bucket seats in our F-150. Now we're doing the second row just to give us that additional protection back there. And the thing about TigerTough seat covers that work. So they are kind of a work focused seat cover company. If you use your vehicle for work, they're the brand for you. They also make them for excavators, I think like UTVs, side-by-sides, things like that as well. This is what we got here in the bag. One thing I always like to point out real quick is to show you installation guide that you get in the box. Sometimes there's going to be a QR code. Right here it looks like they do have a video on installing this, so you can scan that as well. We're also going to be filming how to install this in your F-150 as well. But here we have step-by-step instructions with actual photos of the vehicle on how to install this. This is kind of a unique thing that TigerTough does. A lot of seat covers you buy is just a generic one-page installation guide. You have to kind of figure out how to install it. They give you all the tips and tricks you need for your particular vehicle. Now, one thing about TigerTough, I believe it's on the second page here, we do have the 2-year unconditional warranty. Anything goes wrong for whatever reason with your seat covers in 2 years, it is covered. If they wear out, if something happens and it doesn't protect your seat, you're covered with their warranty. So great warranty there from TigerTough. As I open up our first cover here, what TigerTough does is they label their seat covers where there is going to be a clear difference between the seats. So like if you've got the bucket seats up front, they're basically the same size, so label them as driver and passenger. Now with our rear seat being kind of that 60-40 split, where on the passenger side, you have almost that single chair that can flip up by itself, and then you have the wider bench next to it. You can kind of clearly see which side goes on which side. So I don't think that they label these. I could be wrong. Yeah, I don't see a label for which side these go on, but I believe these are the seat backs. So these are gonna go on the back of the seat. We do have little holes right here. I don't know if that's for like tie down points for car seats or what that's for. Looks like we also have another cutout here for something. And then this is just gonna be a Velcro strap that you're gonna slip in between the seat back and the seat bottom, come around the back and Velcro that up. And then a similar deal with our larger part of the bench. Looks like we do have some more cutouts here, possibly for car seats. And again, this is the seat back. So it's gonna be in the upright position. Now we do have some headrest covers. Looks like we have 3 of them. I don't know if that center seat has a tiny little guy, but they give you one for that. And we have 2 probably for the larger side seats, headrest covers included. And then we're going to have a seat back, I believe, for our smaller seat, or excuse me. No, this is the seat back right here. Got that wrong. You can tell because of this TigerTough logo right here, they're gonna put that on the seat back. So it looks like we do have a cutout here for that latch that's on the back of the seat. Any other cutouts? Looks like a cutout here. I'm not sure if that's for the rope or what, but this is gonna be a tight fit on the seat. Then we do have our larger seat back right here. So I totally screwed that up. Again, we're gonna have, this is where the seat back, if you know about the rear seats in the F-150, there's actually a little knob. You can pull up and lean that seat back forward. And this is where that latching mechanism is going to go. And just some Velcro pieces that go through there. We also have our cutouts here for our headrest area. Now this is in a black color, which matches the finish of the interior in our F-150, but you can also get these in a special print, like some DRT or Canati or Snow Conceal and a couple of other kind of camouflage colors if you are interested in that. Now, if you're looking for these seat covers or any other equipment to get your truck or van ready for work, we've got what you need at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.